Hello students, welcome to class 10 science. Today we will discuss some more important questions of chemical reactions and equation with answer. Question number 1, carrying 3 marks. Write the balanced equation for a burning of magnesium. The balanced equation for burning of magnesium is this: 2 Mg plus O2 is equal to 2 MgO. Question number B, zinc with diluted Cl. When zinc reacts with diluted Cl, it gives ZnCl2 plus H2. Iron with steam, then the equation is 3Fe plus 4H2O, Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Iron oxide is formed. Question number 2, define corrosion. Write 2 methods to prevent it. Answer is corrosion is damage of metal by air and moisture. Prevention is painting, galvanizing, oiling. Question number 3, explain displacement reaction with an example. The answer is a reaction in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive one is called displacement reaction. Zn plus CuSO4. Example is Zn plus CuSO4 gives ZnSO4 plus Cu. Question number 4 is what is a redox reaction? Explain with an example. The answer is a reaction in which oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously is called redox reaction. Example, CuO plus H2, Cu plus H2O. Question number 5 is differentiate between combination and decomposition reaction. The answer is combination reaction is when 2 or more substances combine to form one product, and decomposition is when one substance breaks into 2 or more products. Now comes questions carrying 5 marks. Question number 1 is write balanced chemical equation for the following reaction. First, lead nitrate on heating. The answer is when lead nitrate is heated, it gives PbO plus NO2 plus O2. Its balance equation 2 PbO NO3 whole 2 is equal to 2 PbO plus 4 NO2 plus O2. This is type is decomposition reaction. Question number B, iron nail in copper sulfate solution. When iron nail is dipped in copper sulfate solution, Fe plus CuSO4, FeSO4 plus Cu. It is also a displacement reaction. Question number C, silver chloride in sunlight. When silver chloride in sunlight it decomposes to Ag plus Cl2. This is type of photochemical decomposition. Question number D, zinc with hydrochloric acid. When zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid, it gives ZnCl2 plus H2. It is a type of displacement reaction. Question number 2, explain corrosion and rancidity. What are their effects and prevention? Corrosion is rusting of iron due to air and moisture. Its prevention is painting, galvanizing, alloying. Rancidity is oxidation of fats and oils in food. Prevention is airtight container, refrigeration, antioxidant. Question number 3, explain the reactivity series and its importance. The reactivity series is a list of metals arranged in decreasing order of reactivity. It helps to predict displacement reaction, extract metals, prevent corrosion. Question number 4, what happens when copper powder is heated? When copper powder is heated, black copper oxide is formed. The equation is 2Cu plus O2, 2CuO, black copper oxide is formed. Question number B, iron reacts with water. When iron reacts with water, steam, it gives iron oxide, which is also called magnetite, 3Fe plus 4H2O, Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Question number C is calcium oxide reacts with water. When calcium oxide reacts with water, it gives calcium hydroxide and heat is released. So, all these questions are important for revision for the board exam. Okay, thank you. All the best.